Hello and welcome to a quick guide for the ETM770-8 network monitoring tool for CatM1, Cat Narrowband as well as 2G. You begin by connecting the SIM card like this and then turning on the unit by pressing the power button. This unit is equipped with 3 main buttons, 2 for navigation and 1 for going forward. The right one is also used for going backwards when you're at the top of the page. The first thing you will be greeted with is this main menu with 4 options. The first one is signal scanning. The first thing you want to do when scanning a signal is selecting the relevant radio bands. Right here you can see different types of radio bands. We can do try all bands, try all Cat narrowband bands, try all CatM1 bands, try all GSM bands, or we could use a specific band. For this test we will use the CatM1 band. A good tip when you're looking to scan for narrowband is to limit the search to the band/bands active in your local area. This is to make sure that the scan time is not too long, because that could result in a timeout. After selecting the radio band, you could proceed by selecting net operators. This might take a few minutes. Right here we found 3 different operators. This is the current one we're using, and these 2 are from different operators, hence why we are forbidden to access them with a SIM card. When you want to scan a signal, you proceed by pressing the scan signal button. In this case we found the CatM1 band. Up here we can see the channel, the frequency, these are the strength of the signal, and down here we can see the net operator. So further down this menu you can find information about the current network. This will display 4 different pages containing connection data, the found neighboring cells, SIM status, as well as net provider, and lastly the APN. Down at the bottom of this menu you will find last scan, which will show you basic information about the last scan that was made on this device. The second option in the main menu is communication test. You go here if you want to test your connection. In this case we have set the default to 8888, which is the DNS of Google. If successful, it will look something like this. Here you can see it sent 3 packages and received 3. The third option in the main menu is send data to server. This will send the last scan that you made to an IP address of your choice. This can be set up in the configuration tool. Right here we have it preset to the EWO server. The last option in the main menu will be system. The first option in system will be device data. This will show you the software currently used, the hardware number, as well as the IMEI number. You can press down once to see the date, the unit temperature, the supply voltage, and the battery voltage. In system you can also select APN, which we have added 2 different ones here. Also select user. All these can be changed and configured in the configuration tool. Using the configuration tool you can add 2 different servers, and this server address will show the IP and port of the server setup. Right here we have the EWO server set by default. This last button in system is used to restart the device, but if you don't want to use that button you can hold these 2 buttons for 3 seconds until the message pops up to restart the unit. Lastly, when you want to power off the unit, you just hold this button until the message pops up.